especially from Team Hati and Innocent Dominicans, so that we'll reach how to translate this work plan into really implementable action. So we'll be presenting, and team, we are happy to give feedback on this slide.
So that's the first intermediate outcome. As I mentioned, the whole of the primary outcome has 3 themes. The first theme is alignment, that is of functions, that is positioning the clearinghouse in order to seamlessly integrate into the scaling for impact. The second theme is streamlining of the processes, systems, and the last is the full integration, and that is how the intermediate outcomes also proceed.
First task is to co-create with our friends from PRMS the automated systems that need some programmation that will be done by the IT bots, and at the same time, of course, we need to do it exactly at the same time. We need to develop the processes for us to use this new automation.
Will happen and became a very strong and unique part of the TAAT program. I always tell people, this is a unique addition to an ADB program. There's none in the project that I know of. PME, that's all we get. So, on a personal note, the partnership between the PME and the clearinghouse, we believe, really led a lot to the success that we have, that we are recording across the world today about the TAAT program.
I have seen a lot of projects we at IIT have developed, designed, implemented, and got. And I normally say, and so what? Once it's gone, we don't see the impact. But we are already seeing the impact of clearinghouse, and those who want it to continue and be sustainable to contribute to the transformation of African agriculture. And I like the point where we reached today, where we said, let's focus for now on TAAT for Africa.
I think over the past these interactions, I have 3 sort of key impressions that to a level of surprise, which gives me a lot of new learning of what is TAAT Clearinghouse. The very first thing as a newcomer, I'm not from CG system by the way, is that how big is the team?
The TAAT Clearinghouse was designed requiring ownership and understanding of everyone, specifically the whole entire ecosystem. So the same exercise, team, you're most welcome. The time we can plan, invite you also participate. Your really discussion, contribution throughout was very instrumental. I like the way the systematic thinking and how we should work together to make this program really be successful.
Most of you actually, I always say people tend to forget. The biggest engagement we have with the FDB did not start with TAAT. Everybody remembers that. Chief is in this room, you remember the mission to Tunis. FDB was in Tunisia. Arthman, Dixon, Samajara, that's what created Standard C. And the rest is history. Started there. But IT as executive agency can be proud of itself because we have been consistently delivering, otherwise they would not have come up to us. So we have something to celebrate. I came late because I was part of the IT board meeting and they told them that TAAT Clearinghouse model is being thought about to be something that can be replicated through the CGIAR system and